This 2017 Grand Design Reflection 26RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 29 feet 4 inches in length and features Sleep's 4, spare tire kit, awning, air conditioning, smoke detector, skylight, DVD player, refrigerator, leveling jacks, water heater, slide-out, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Grand Design Reflection 26RL is 7,998 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.